Hi, in this video I'll just run you through how to create a saved search or report on the dashboard so you can see what tasks a team member has for the day, and if you manage several team members you can have one for each of them so you can see. It's a reactive search, so it'll change as they complete tasks. As you add new tasks during the week, the list will update. So it's not that you have to keep doing a search all the time, it'll automatically update as you work along. So first thing to say, it's a report rather than a search. So we go up over the icon, bring the bar up, and under admin you select reports. Now under administrative you see some template ones that's there for you. Under saved reports you'll see there's one that I've already done. So I'll show you how to create that. So we go under administrative and we go task note report. And it says view pending and completed task for all users. That's fine. We're just going to use this as a template and then we will change it from there on. So you can see it brings up the last search that I used. So we'll just say we'll start over. And then we get to here. So we want the date range to be today or past due. There are several options you can choose from, but I'll have that one so you know that it's for that team member. Any tasks that's due today or anything that's now overdue will be highlighted on your dashboard for you. Under completed status, we'll go for incomplete because we don't need to see what they've already done. We just want to be flagged up anything that's running late. Miscellaneous criteria, assign to. Now we want to choose which team member we want information for in the dashboard. So I will just find Lucy, we'll go with her, and all the other settings we will say due today, due date interval. In the column section you can then just choose what information you actually have on the dashboard. I'll leave those as they are for the moment. So then you just go search, and that then brings up all the tasks that's due that day or that are overdue for Lucy. And now we can go save, and I would say I want this to be Lucy Collier, and then you choose who can see that. You obviously choose yourself if it's only you. If you don't really mind who sees it, choose everyone. Choose multiple people if different people have to have access over it. It won't automatically appear on their dashboard, but that search will be available to them to put in a widget on the dashboard. So then we just go save and wait for the man to stir his ones and zeros. Okay, so that's the first part. Now we've saved that. Now we want to put that as a widget on our dashboard. So we go to our dashboard, and you'll see in the top right we can choose add widget, and now we can choose what type of widget it is. It's worth looking through these when you have a chance. There's quite a few things you can get up on your dashboard depending on what your responsibilities are, what things you need to keep track of. We're going to choose saved search or saved report, and we'll add that to the dashboard. And now it comes up with options for us to say which report we want on the dashboard. Okay, so that's loaded up. So now we just say we want to see a saved report. Under categories, we'll go for administrative, and then select the report. You now get the option of which one you want to show. So this one down here shows the James Farmer's tasks. If we go Lucy Collier here, we can say how many tasks we want to see, up to a maximum of 20. 20 tasks a day is quite high anyway. So save that, and that will then populate that widget with all the tasks for that day for Lucy. You can move the widgets around. Just hover at the top, you'll see it turns into the cross, and then you can move that to different areas of your dashboard. So you can customize this dashboard so that If you've got, say, 3 team members, you can have all 3 there down the side. There's also layout changes you can make, so you can choose what goes where and how you do it. So you've got quite a lot of flexibility there. I hope that's helpful. If you have any questions, just give me a shout.